Welcome, I'm Tassie.
And I'm Zach, and we're here from the Healthy Kids Coalition to talk with you about the benefits of eating fruits and vegetables. A few times during this video, you'll see this, which means pause the video so that you can think about or talk to your friends about something that we've just learned. So Tassie, I know there are 3 important things about healthy fruits and vegetables that you told me I was supposed to remember today, but I am totally blanking.
No problem. All right, so the first thing is that healthy vegetables and fruits are good for your brain and your body.
Oh, brain and body. Easy, got it.
Pretty easy, yeah.
All right, number 2.
All right, the second thing is that healthy fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients, but don't get scared by that.
Okay.
Phytonutrients are just a fancy name for those fix-it workers we're always talking about.
Oh, the fix-it worker guys.
Yeah.
Okay. What do they do?
They fix the stuff that wears out when you work hard and play hard, and they even keep you from getting sick.
I love those guys. I keep forgetting about them.
Me too.
All right, and then there's a third thing, which I can't remember.
Yeah. The third thing is there's all different kinds of fix-it workers,
Right.
and you get them all inside you
How do you
by
do
eating
that?
all the different colors of the rainbow.
Oh, right, the colors of the rainbow. So I gotta eat all the colors of the rainbow to get all the different fix-it workers.
So, what healthy fruit or vegetable are we going to talk about today, Zach?
Well, I'll give you a hint. We're wearing What just happened? I was gonna say we're wearing shirts that are the same color as the fruit or vegetable we're gonna be eating today, but what? What?
Well, I think a little bit of magic happened because green is a particularly special color.
Really?
Yeah. Besides your regular old green fruits and vegetables, there's a special category called dark green leafy vegetables.
Why are they so important?
Well, they have more vitamins and minerals and micronutrients than any of the other vegetables.
Really?
And they really have almost magical effects on your body.
That's so cool. All right, so go ahead and pause the video here and see how many dark leafy green vegetables you can think of.
Did anyone come up with spinach?
That's right, we're gonna be tasting baby spinach. These little leaves here. They've become one of my favorite vegetables.
So let's play a game, Zach.
Awesome, I love games.
This game is called Leaf, Stem, Fruit, Root. It's where we try to guess which part of the plant is the spinach. Would you like to play?
Yeah, I love games.
Awesome.
So we have to guess whether this spinach is the leaf, the stem, the fruit, or the root.
Do you think it would help to look at a spinach plant
Yeah, that
before
helps
we
me a lot.
decide?
Yep.
All right. Do you see any leaves?
I see a lot of leaves.
Yeah, I bet you do. And the stems are a little bit small on spinach, but
Yeah.
they're there,
Okay,
holding up the
little
leaves.
hidden. Okay, got it.
And even more hidden are the roots under the soil.
Very tricky to see. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
And I don't see any fruit.
no, not all plants have fruit. Some of them just have flowers.
Oh, so when this plant goes to flower, there'll be flowers growing from it?
Yep. And that'll help it make more spinach plants.
Oh, and so like bees will come and pollinate it and all that kind of stuff?
Absolutely.
Oh, neat. Okay, so I think I know. Let's pause here and see what you guess. I think I figured it out.
All right. Did you guess leaf?
I did. It looks like the spinach is actually the leaf of the plant. Are there any other leaves that we eat?
Oh, there are so many, Zach. The easiest one is all the different kinds of lettuces that maybe you put in a salad.
Yep, okay. I forgot those are leaves, yeah.
Yep. Also, there's Swiss chard and kale, bok choy, plus turnip and mustard greens.
Wow,
And even parsley counts as a dark green leafy vegetable.
that's awesome. So could I grow spinach in my backyard garden?
You certainly can. It grows really well in the warm months, but keep your eye on it.
Is this because of bunnies?
Yeah, bunnies love spinach, Zach.
Wow, they always like the same fruits and vegetables that I like. But what if they eat all my spinach?
Well, you can find spinach at most farmers markets or at the supermarket.
Oh, great.
And spinach makes a great snack at school or at home.
So I like to eat spinach in my salad, but are there other ways I could eat it?
Yeah, there are lots of ways to eat it.
Like what?
It's really good put inside other things. You can put it in tomato sauce or soup, and it's easy to just add to your favorite recipe.
Oh, you just kind of toss it in there and cook it up?
Yep.
That's awesome.
We'll add some more recipes in the show notes so that you can try some at home.
Oh, perfect. So do you have your spinach in front of you right now? Because here's the fun part. We're going to eat it. But first, take a close look at your baby spinach there. What does it look like?
And when you pick it up, see how it feels.
Now bring it up to your nose. Does it have any smell? What does it smell like?
And does it make a sound when you start to eat it?
And lastly, take a bite and see how it tastes. Is it sweet? Is it what you expected? What does it taste like to you?
So you want to know a cool fact about spinach, Zach?
I love cool facts.
Did you know that dark green leafy vegetables are a great way to get calcium? You don't even have to milk them.
Wait a minute. I can get calcium from a spinach leaf?
Yep, all the dark green leafies have quite a bit of calcium.
I didn't know that. That's great. And calcium's great for you, like for your bones and your teeth.
Really good, yeah.
Wow, that's so great.
It's also good for your heart, believe it or not.
Really?
Yep,
So just eating spinach and I'll get calcium.
yep.
Wow. Is there any other good things that are in there for us to eat?
Yeah, like all the fruits and vegetables we talk about, there's vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients in there. Those are those fix-it workers.
Oh, the fix-it workers, right. Which ones are in spinach?
Well, we'll start with the easy ones.
Okay,
There's
easy ones.
vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin B2, and of course the calcium we talked about.
Yep, I can say all those, no problem.
All right, you want to hear something that might be a little trickier to say?
Sure, throw them at me.
All right, we've got manganese, magnesium,
Magnesium. Okay, I think I can say those.
and two truly long ones.
Okay.
They're glycoglycerolipids,
Glycoglycerolipids?
glycoglycerolipids.
Glycoglycerolipids.
Yeah, see?
Wow, that's a tongue twister.
When you say it slowly, it's not so bad.
Okay.
And then there's methylene-dioxyflavonol glucuronides.
What? I'm not even
Yeah.
gonna try and say that one. So wait a minute, do I have to
I don't recommend it.
do I have to take notes on all these things?
No.
I'm not gonna be able to remember this, Tassie.
You'll never have to remember a crazy word like that, Zach.
Okay.
There's just 3 things you have to remember.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah,
Number 1,
yeah,
all that stuff in there
yeah.
is good for your brain and your body.
Oh, okay, that's a lot easier. I remember.
Much easier,
Yeah,
huh?
okay, brain body, yep.
Okay. Number 2, those fancy names are the fix-it workers, and they're gonna fix up the parts that wear out and keep you from getting sick.
Gotcha, fix-it workers, okay.
Yeah. And finally, number 3, you have to eat a whole rainbow of vegetables to get all those funny named fix-it workers.
Okay, that's so much easier to remember.
Yes.
Okay,
You can take a breath.
yeah, so I think I got them. Now we're gonna pause the video and let's see if you can remember the 3 things that Tassie just taught us about fruits and vegetables. We'll pause here.
Thank you for watching this episode on spinach.
You know, you can watch us again at home with your friends and family and maybe try and get those tongue-twisting words yourself.
And next time you find yourself at the store, why don't you buy some baby spinach and bring it to school for a snack and also eat it at home.
Yeah, and let us know in the comments below what you thought about eating spinach and if you think you might try it again.
And I'll be curious to know how many of you had already tasted spinach before today. And keep those questions rolling. We love to try to answer them.
Until next time, I'm Zach.
And I'm Tassie.
And now you know.